Kagawa, side step. Kagawa, trying to shoot, oh boy! Another chance is in! Richard Basangwa, the bulldozer! Oh, he bulldozed himself to get that goal. He really bottled it in. The shot from Senoga Kagawa off the woodwork and gets Richard Basangwa there. And the excitement is already lit up. Richard Basangwa with his 5th goal of the season in the Start Times Uganda Premier League. And Coach Kepi calling his team and trying to have sense pumped in. The bulldozer opens up the score sheet and he just finished a perfect loose ball. But let's look at this again from Senoga Kagawa, beating his markers, then goes for fire. And the ball bringing it back, and Basangwa could not miss from such a distance. Simon Tamale had his fingers on that ball, but it was brought back by the ball. And Basangwa in the right place at the right time. Good skills, delivery. Was a good serve, but not the best. And good finish there from Richard the Bulldozer Basangwa. He tried his level best, Simon Tamale, but unfortunately, it was the post that brought it back for Basangwa to strike gold.